looking to showcase your creativity and attract clients. Learn how to create a stunning UGC portfolio on Canva that stands out. With easy-to-use templates and design tips, you'll have a captivating portfolio that highlights your unique style and skills. Ready to elevate your brand? Let's dive in. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to start with UGC and make portfolio on Canva. So first of all, have just open your browser and dive into canva.com. You'll find this page. Then you'll have to just create an account and you'll find this page. So in this video, we will explore UGC or user-generated content, which is any content created by individuals, not brands, that enhances authenticity and engagement. Stay with us until the end where we will share tips on how to effectively showcase your UGC portfolio on Canva and why it's essential for attracting clients. Don't miss out on valuable insights to elevate your creative career. Let's dive in. So first of all, you have just to click over a website like that, and then you have to choose website portfolio. So you have just to write website here, for example, and research about portfolio, and you can also click over create a design, and then you click over web portfolio website like that. Then you will find this page as you can see. So you have just to choose the one you want, the template that you want. So for example, I will select, for example, this one. So I'll select, for example, this one or this one. So I'll select this one. So right now I will just delete all these things. I will also delete this one. Also this one. And I will just correct me all. So firstly I will just choose the background color. For example, choose this one. So right now I will just firstly add a heading. I'll put it here. And I will just, for example, add a size. Then I will write, for example, here John Stones like that. It's the name. Then I will add a subheading. I will just add to 14. Then I will write, for example, UGC creator or influencer. So here you can also select here how I want to. For example, I will choose the color, and then I will choose this one. Then about this one also I will select here. I'll select here the color also. I will select this one. Then this one I will make it bold, and this one I will make it italic. So as you can see, then I will add here, for example, we'll go to the elements. We'll add firstly this, for example, this one. And you can also search here about whatever you want. I will add this one, and also this one, and this one. So I will just modify all this. So for example, about this one, I will just put it here. This one I will just put it, for example, like here. Then I will just put this one firstly because this is the email. Then I will add, for example, this one. So I will just make this one more short. Also this one. Then right now I will just go. So about this one I will just duplicate it, right? Just put to do. So as you can see right now I will just add a text. For example, here I will select 25 and I will just put it here. We'll add another one. So we have here 1, 2, 3. We'll add 3. So we have here 1, 2, 3. So I will just go here and I will select 25 and I will select here italic. Also about this one I will select italic and I'll put firstly this one here. This one I'll put it here and this one I'll put it here. Also this one I'll put it italic, and as you can see right now I will just add something here, for example fast food. Then I will add here email. For example, here I will add chance. Then I will add here, I will just modify this one. I will add here, for example, italic also. Add location, for example, New York. Like that. Then I will add also here, for example, or I would just firstly make it 23. So I will add firstly like Insta, and I will just click for enter. I'll add also here TikTok, for example, and we have here YouTube. Then I'll put it here. And then I will add my Instagram here, TikTok, YouTube, and I'll put this one here. Like that. Then I will just add a number font here. So I choose this one. Then I will write here, for example, phone number, go to the text, and I will add a little bit, and I will just add it here. For example, 01232, you have just to add a number, for example. So this is how it looks, and you can just do your own. And this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.